Good morning, students. Today, let's learn about verbs expressing the past. First, let us learn about simple past tense. We use the simple past tense to express actions finished before the time of speaking. Okay? And also, we can use simple past tense to express some past habit. Also, we can use an action that took place over a period of time in the past. Let's take examples. We saw a suspense movie last night. In this example, this action finished before the time of speaking. So we can use simple past tense to express an action that finished before the time of speaking. My grandfather liked a cup of hot milk at bedtime. This action shows a past habit, liked, past action habit. Okay, so for expressing some past habit, we can use simple past tense. I lived in the hostel from 2009 to 2011. Here also, lived. That action took place over a period of time in the past, 2009 to 2011. In this period of time, it happened, took place. So we can use simple past tense to express an action that took place over a period of time in the past. Past continuous tense. This tense also expresses the past. We use past continuous tense to express an action which was in progress at some moment before the time of speaking. Okay, that was in progress means that was continuing before the moment of speaking. Okay, and finished. Example, it was raining hard at 5 o'clock last evening. That means the action was in progress, continuing at some past moment. Okay, now at present it is over, finished. For saying these kinds of sentences, we can use past continuous tense. It expresses the past. We can use simple past and past continuous together to suggest that something happened when another action was in progress. Means one action was going on, in the same time another action happened. Okay, what was the action going on? For that, we will use past continuous tense, and what action happened at that moment, we use simple past tense. The phone rang when he was watching television. In this sentence, two tenses are there. First one is simple past, then past continuous. The phone rang and he was watching television. We can use both the tenses together. That means one action was continuing at the same time the another one happened. Okay, here the phone rang, that is simple past tense, and at the same time what was he doing? He was watching television. Okay, next, present perfect tense. We use present perfect tense to express an action that has just been completed. at the time of speaking. Just it has been complete. Example, I have just got a letter from him. It means what? That action has been completed just now. Okay. For using this type of sentences, we use present perfect tense, and this tense also expresses the past. We can also use present perfect tense while an action completed sometime in the past but linked with the present. That means the action in the past has a result now. Example, the traffic police have closed this road to heavy vehicles. That action happened in the past, but now also the result is there. Okay? For these type of sentences also we can use present perfect tense. The form of present perfect tense is subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb plus object. Students, let's end this section here. In our next class, we will continue this chapter. Thank you.